Well, we're thinking a lot at Stanford about the next generation of medtech, biotech innovation. I just wanted to take an opportunity to tell you a little bit about what's going on, because I think I give the leadership at Stanford huge credit for really trying to significantly reinvent what's happening in the biomedical sectors. And one exciting initiative is shown here, the James Clark Center for Biomedical Engineering and Sciences. This is the new building that's going up on Campus Drive that's causing you to reroute your cars all of the time. The idea for this building is that to put something physically at the interface between the School of Engineering, H&S, and School of Medicine, and draw people in to start an interdisciplinary collaboration between the sciences. And what I like, they're being very strategic about this. They figured out that the most important thing to do is put good food in this building. So there'll be a high-quality cafeteria, a big cafeteria right on the ground floor. Now, housed next to the cafeteria will be, as some of you have heard, a new Department of Bioengineering. We haven't had a Department of Bioengineering here before, and the Board of Trustees approved it last summer, so we will be, over the next 5 years, ramping up a whole new department that will work in parallel with the bio divisions in EE and ME and chemical engineering and so on to create sort of a new presence. And interestingly, this department is being put under both the School of Engineering and the School of Medicine. It's a theme here about interdisciplinary connections. And then some of you have heard about BioX. This is the granddaddy of interdisciplinary connections on campus. This is a 500 to 600 investigator consortium with these clusters of themes, so biocomputation, gene and proteomics, biophysics, chemical biology, regenerative medicine, that's kind of tissue engineering, and then biodesign, which is corresponds to the Medtech sector, and that, as Tom mentioned, is the area that I've been involved with a number of colleagues. And at the bottom, you see some of the technology domains. Materials, MEMS, we're expanding out beyond medical devices, sensors, image guidance, robotics, and so on. So I'd call your attention to this site, biodesign.stanford.edu, that it will give you kind of a landscape of the investigators in this area. And there is a student biodesign group that's just shot out of the blocks in the last year. They have 450 members now, and their website is SSB, Stanford Student Biodesign, ssb.stanford. We've created a new fellowship program under the biodesign umbrella, and we're bringing in people who we think may be significant medtech inventors. We're looking for the next generation of Tom Fogarty and bringing them into Stanford, having them work as a team to try to invent some new medical technologies.